What's good, guys? An airdrop right now is trending, and this very airdrop is called Zetarium. Now, one of the reasons it is trending is because these guys literally built everything you see right here in less than 3 months, right? They worked towards it for long and they actualized everything and made sure that this very airdrop would be something that would profit its users. Now, this very airdrop is going to be ending in 30 days as at the time of creating this very video. You can see this very airdrop is currently live, and you can see 52k participants as at the time of creating this very video. You can see there are 20 million points that have been earned and 30 days left as at the time of creating this very video. This airdrop just started about 7 days ago and would be ending in 30 days, right? So this is something you should hop into right away. Now, another amazing thing about this very airdrop is that based on reports we have, this very airdrop has a total supply of 100 million, right? And 9% is slated for the airdrop. So it means that this very airdrop is actually building and not the type that just eats from the community and leave, right? And another beautiful thing about this is that these guys have a lot of trusted partners. And let me just scroll down right now. You can see our partners. You can see right here they have the BNB Chain, right? Partnering with them, there's the ZET, right? These guys have been audited by ZET and Consort, right? So this is to tell you that this very project is building something great, right? You can see right here ZET and Consort. Now, if you are into the crypto space or you know about audits, right, crypto audits platforms, you know that ZET is like one of the top platforms right out there, if not the number one, the last time I checked. And then we have Consort. So if any project is actually audited by this platform, then you know that the project is actually doing something great. Now you can see right here we have CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Space ID, ChainAware, and likes. So these guys are actually building something. You can see they're backed by Cashstrong Capital and Alpha Capital. Right now, these are people that are actually ranking for this right now, and you can see the highest point right here is just about 22,000 points. So this will tell you that you are not late. Even if you have seen this on the 20th day, make sure you hop in, because this very airdrop will cook. I believe this very airdrop will cook, right? So this is not something you should ignore unless you have decided to give up on airdrops, but I wouldn't advise you to do that because you never know which one might actually do well. I'm telling you this, right? When Notcoin came out, I just hopped on it. It was just as quick as something like this, and I didn't really believe it was going to turn out to be something great until everything worked out for my good, right? So this is basically what you do. So the first thing you have to do right now is to log in with your Twitter. So you just have to log into your Twitter, engage with the platform, and invite people. That's basically what you do, right? That's basically what you do. And the beautiful thing about this is that if you follow, like, retweet, and engage with Zetarium on social media, you earn points. Like basically, if you just connect your Twitter account right now, you follow their account, you like their post, you retweet it, you engage, you comment, and you tag Zetarium, you earn points, right? So the first thing you have to do right now is to log in with our Twitter account, and I'm going to do that real quick. So I'm going to click on this very button right here that says log in with Twitter, right? And look at it right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on authorize app. Zentarium wants to access your app, your X account, so I'm just going to say yes, authorize app. So yes, this is authorizing right now, and you can see my follower count just dropped right here. You can also follow me on this very account. So you can see my rank is still just displaying dash because I just joined right now. You can see the total points right here, my follower count, my referrals. It's 0 at the moment, right? If you want to join this very airdrop, guys, you use the link in the video description and in the pinned comment. But let's just say you use that as a compensation for creating this very video for you. Plus, I'm going to be updating you guys. Whenever any updates comes out, I'm going to update you guys. It's something I'm going to do for you guys, right? So make sure you follow me. Make sure you use my link, right? I really appreciate you for doing that, right? I'm going to leave it in the pinned comment and in the video description. So yes, so right now you can see these are tags you're meant to perform right here. You can see you can follow the account, you can add the Zentarium to your username. I'm not going to do that, right? I am not actually going to do that, but you can do that if you don't have a huge following or you're not a brand, but I'm not actually going to do that. Now there are a lot of other things you can do right here. How do you really earn on this very platform? I think I've explained that briefly, but I'm going to explain that again, right? So to earn on this very platform right now, you have to click on this very one that says how to earn, right? This is where you understand how the earning process works. You can see to earn right now, you have to do the social tax, and the social tax is engaging with Zentarium on social media to earn points. Now the more active you are, the more you earn. Now engagement means tagging Zentarium whenever you make a post, comment, or retweet, right? And that means you use the @ symbol, right? You tag them by mentioning their Twitter handle, right? There's a display name and there's a username, right? So you tag the username, right? Then you follow them on X. Now let me just quickly switch this to desktop side so you can see or have a bigger view of how this works. So yes, so this is it right here. You follow them on X, right? Next, you join their Telegram handle, right? This is ad engagement, and if you do this, you get 100 points right now. Now the next one is you reply to their tweets, right? Whether you're replying someone or you're replying to their tweets, this would also give you an engagement, but just make sure that you are tagging Zetarium, right? And please do this with wisdom, right? Do it the smart way so your account does not get banned, right? So this is it. You get 10 to 50 points for replies, right? And right here you see the quotes, right? You quote the tweets. Like if you create a post and you quote the tweet, right? You quote that very tweet and repost it on your profile, you also get to earn 25 to 100 points. I believe this is based on how much engagement you have. So you share your thoughts about Zetarium by quoting tweets or a personal post with your insights. Next is you refer friends. Now for every friends you invite, you get 25 points. And last right here is creating your content. Now for every content you create, you get about 100 points right here. So this is going to be calculated. All these are going to be calculated. Now these are the social tags, right? So I'm just going to click on Telegram right now, and I'm going to follow them on their Telegram handle, right? So I'm going to click on join right now. This is the Zetarium Telegram handle. Let's go back right now and see if we have earned a point for ourselves. So we're going to go to the leaderboard right here, which you can see right here. So let's click on leaderboard right now. So let's know if we have earned any points at all. So you can see we haven't earned a point right now, and this has been explained on their Twitter handle, which they made us know that you don't earn points immediately you do them, right? These points get to be updated once the system has confirmed, the human reviewers have confirmed that you actually did this, right? So let's go back to the home section and let's go back to discussing ways to earn on this very platform, right? So we have the on-chain tax right here, and the on-chain tax consists of the swap transactions. You swap on their DEX, you get to earn 10 points right here. This is a swap right here. Now these guys built their DEX, you have the trading view and all that. Now the pools right here, if you create a liquidity pool on Zetarium, you earn 25 points. You create sales, you earn 30 points, right? Then there are purchases. Whatever purchase you make, you earn 20 points. And right here we have the prediction market. These guys are actually building a prediction market where you predict whether or not an outcome is going to be true or not. You predict about events, you predict about the crypto market, and basically everything about life. So this is something that is new, something that is actually creeping into the crypto space and is actually going to be a big thing in the near future. Now if you do your daily GM right here, you get 20 points, right? This is like the daily check-in right here, right? And the pro tip we have right here is that if you stay consistent, your daily activity earns you more than sporadic burst, right? And then we have the refer friends. If you refer friends, like I said before, you earn 24 points. And right here we have the tracking progress, which monitors the leaderboard to optimize strategies. So from what I understand on this very airdrop, there are so many ways to earn. It's not really about referring friends. For those of us who cry that airdrops are for influencers, it's not really for influencers. It's just about how willing and determined you are. If you're willing to create videos, you're willing to create articles, post them on sites like Medium, Quora, and the likes, then you would actually be able to benefit from things like this, right? It's just about your willingness and how far you can go to promote this project. This is what really rewards you in any project at all that you are farming. So this is basically how this works. So these are ways you can earn. Now if I click on this daily GM right here, and before you be able to interact in the on-chain tax, you have to connect your wallet, right? So this is where you actually connect your wallet, and just scroll down right now and you can connect your wallet right here. I'm actually using the desktop mode. This is why you are seeing this very view. So if I click on connect right now, this is going to bring up this very view. So to easily connect your wallet right now, you have to make sure that you are in that very wallet. You're actually doing it in that very wallet, right? This is the easiest way to connect a wallet. And but I'm just going to give it a try and see if I'll be able to connect this very Phantom wallet right now. So I'm just going to click on Phantom, and it says not detected, right? It's asking me to download Phantom wallets. Okay, so this is my Phantom wallet right now. So to connect a wallet right now, you just have to go to the search bar right here and go to URL. And I'm going to paste the URL of this Zetarium right now. Just paste it here. You would also see a URL in the description of this very video and in the pinned comments, right? Just copy whichever one that suits you best. So I'm just going to log in with my Twitter right now. So you can see Zetarium is actually here right now. And if I want to connect this very wallet right now, it's really simple, right? I just have to go to the home section right here, right? Click on home and then go over to on-chain tax, which is this. So I'm going to say how to earn on-chain, and then scroll down right here, click on 20, click on daily GM, and we are being asked to connect our wallet somewhere around here. So we're going to say connect wallet right now, and you can see phantom wallet right here. So we're just going to connect the phantom wallet. So I'm just going to show you how this works, because I want you to learn how to connect your phantom wallet, and that this is the best way to connect your phantom wallet. So this is actually connected right now, but I'm being told that this does not support this very chain. It's actually on BNB Chain, right? So whatever the case is, I'm going to do another video that will explain properly how to connect your wallet, but this is basically how you do it, right? So if you're doing this on Trust Wallet, that is actually how it's going to be, but I'm not going to do this on Trust Wallet because I've showed you guys how this works, right? So let's go over to the prediction market right here, which you can see right here. This is the prediction market right here. So now these are questions that are being asked. They said, will the Iranian regime fall before 2027? So if you believe that the Iranian regime will fall before 2027, you can go ahead and click on yes. If you don't believe, or you have credible information that this is not going to fall before 2027, you can go ahead and click no. And if you invest a certain amount of token on this, you're actually going to earn something. So this is basically how the prediction market works, right? You can see another question right here which says that, will Trump acquire Greenland before 2027? So we have the yes and no. So whichever one you believe on based on the information you have to work with credible information. If you have credible information that Trump is not going to acquire Greenland, you can say no. If you have a credible information that Trump is going to acquire Greenland, you can say yes. It's just about your choice and your prediction, right? What you believe would happen, or what you are sure would happen, right? Like always, you have to connect your wallet, and you'll be charged about, I think, 0.03 BNB for this. I think that's what you'll be charged for the prediction would go through. We have the faucet right here. The faucet is also talking about the same thing. To earn your 1000 USDC right here, you also have to connect your wallet right here, guys. You have to connect your wallet. It's as simple as that. So this is basically what you need to know regarding this update. I believe that by now you have fully understood how this works, right? If you have any question, you can leave them in the comment section, and I'll try my best to respond to you as soon as possible. If this is your first time stopping by, then do well to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any updates at all. Also follow me on my X handle, which is DanPathCrypto. I'll leave the link in the video description. Join my social media community for quick updates. Until I come here next time, I'm your crypto guy Daniel. Stay safe.